Very good morning on the budget day to all of you. I'm looking at Nifty's chart and a couple of things before you start taking positions. First of all, for equity, I recommend staying out of the market. Let the budget give us some clues, and then you know which sectors are going to get the money flowing in, and you can put your money accordingly. Now, as far as options is concerned, as you can see, market is at 13,750, has had a nice fall for the last 1 week, and I would say volatility is also about has risen for a couple of days. So if you notice, since last couple of days, volatility has just gone up. There is VIX 18 to 25. Okay, so this nice rise in volatility means that the anticipation was building up for market. Now we all know after news the volatility is going to drop down. Okay, so going back to our Nifty chart, I am expecting Nifty to first of all turn bullish because we've had a nice correction. If the budget is negative, it has been digested in the markets, and now I expect it to shoot up. That's my view on the market. Again, I could be wrong, but there's a high possibility of market going bullish in the next few days. What is going to happen today? It's very difficult to predict. Market usually is going to be volatile and wild, so I'm going to stay out of any high risk trades in the market. I might do a short, a very small trade, but for the week my idea is clearly bullish. Okay, and I'm strongly bullish because my budget has the power to turn the market around from this bearish movement that has been happening for quite a few days. Okay, so now let me just reduce. So currently we are at this level, which is 13,750, and it's 10:49 a.m. 11 o'clock budget announcements will start. Market will start going in wild frenzy. By the end of the day, market will find a direction, a clear candle, and from there we will see a movement in the Nifty chart, which according to me should be on the upside, and it may take a few days before we can see it materialize. Okay, so I'm expecting Nifty to go at least 14,360 by this, at least till this level by this week, and even up to 14,700, which is the all-time high. It can throw it back to its 14. So roughly an average target of 14,500 is what I am expecting from this budget within 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, so since I'm expecting a bullish move, that to a large one, what I've done is I've sold two call at 14,400 for 11th Feb. So we're going to give it one more week to exit, and I've sold these at 59. This to reduce any time value and get call prices cheaper. And I have bought a call of 13,700. This gives us a very wide range of 13,890, as long as Nifty settles anywhere between 13,890 to 14,910 by 11th of Feb. This entire range is ours to take, and at a maximum point, I would say if we hit our middle target of 14,300, 350, I tend to make 38,000 rupees from this trade, where my funds needed would be 1 lakh. Also, the max loss that I'm going to take a hit for is 14,000. So the risk reward ratio is pretty skewed. Now, again, the fair warning is above 14,900, we will start getting into unlimited loss situation. So even if market comes close to 14,800, I am going to be exiting. Let's say even a couple of days earlier, if it comes, I will take whatever profits I can collect from the market and exit